Alright, y'all, this is what we having for breakfast this morning. It's from Hooks, and it's some Mexican rice with steak and what else?
Rice, cheese, steak.
Okay.
Sit with you, white toes for the hoe. I'm finna trick on I ain't gon' lie, you bad. You got bitches mad. You was thick before the surgery.
You do Douglas?
You know you a bad bitch. Classy nails, French tip bag off the Chanel swag.
What is
I'm
that?
feeling you ain't just cute, you getting money too. I'm finna.
Finna get there. Tiff talking about me, but I'm finna eat.
I ain't know they sold double cheeseburgers. They ain't got these at Walmart.
I'm mad they ain't got
Let me see. Talking about double cheeseburger. Large dinner, extra mild sauce.
I don't even say bye no more. I be like, mwah, no balls.